OBD2 scanners diagnose vehicle issues, monitor performance, clear error codes, and prevent costly repairs. Today's video is about top 5 best OBD2 scanner that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Foxwell OBD2 Scanner. The Foxwell NT604 Elite OBD2 Scanner is a valuable diagnostic tool for car owners who want to understand vehicle issues before visiting a repair shop. The 2026 upgraded version comes ready to use with the latest software installed, allowing quick connection through the OBD2 port for immediate scanning. It provides comprehensive diagnostics for engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission systems, helping identify the causes of warning lights and fault codes. Features like live data monitoring, built-in DTC library, Automotive vehicle identification, data playback, and printing add extra convenience for accurate troubleshooting. Supporting over 60 vehicle brands worldwide, it offers broad compatibility without additional software fees. The included protective case is a thoughtful addition, keeping the scanner safe during storage and transport. While it is designed for diagnosis rather than repairs or advanced service resets, it is an excellent choice for monitoring vehicle health, saving time, and reducing unnecessary diagnostic costs. Overall, the NT604 Elite combines ease of use, reliable performance, and professional-level features in a user-friendly package. Now our second product is Ancel OBD2 Scanner. The Ancel AD310 OBD2 Scanner is a reliable and user-friendly tool for quickly diagnosing check engine issues. Its simple plug-and-play design allows you to connect directly to the vehicle's OBD2 port without batteries or chargers, making it convenient for home garages and road trips. It can read and clear emission-related trouble codes, display live data, view freeze-frame information, check I/M readiness, and provide vehicle details after repairs are completed. The scanner features a sturdy build with a flexible 2.5-foot cable, clear screen, and easy-to-use buttons, while its compact and lightweight design makes storage and transport effortless. Supporting multiple OBD2 protocols, including CAN, ISO 9141, KWP 2000, and J1850, it works with many compatible vehicles from different regions. Although it focuses on emission-related diagnostics rather than advanced repair functions, it is an excellent choice for drivers who want a quick way to understand warning lights, monitor vehicle health, and avoid unnecessary diagnostic costs. Our third product is Ancel OBD2 Scanner. The Ancel AD410 OBD2 Scanner is a practical and easy-to-use tool for drivers who want to understand check engine issues without immediately visiting a repair shop. With over 42,000 built-in DTC definitions, it quickly reads and explains engine fault codes, helping reduce guesswork during troubleshooting. It supports essential OBD2 functions, including code reading and clearing, live data monitoring, freeze frame, I/M readiness checks, O2 sensor tests, evap tests, and vehicle information. The real-time data display allows users to monitor important engine parameters like RPM, coolant temperature, fuel trim, and oxygen sensor readings for better maintenance decisions. Its 2.4-inch color screen, simple menu, multilingual support, and plug-and-play operation make it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. No app, battery, or Bluetooth connection is required. The scanner powers directly from the vehicle. Compatible with many OBD2 vehicles, the AD410 is a reliable choice for basic engine diagnostics, emissions checks, and everyday vehicle monitoring. Now number 4, Xtool OBD2 Scanner. The Xtool A30M Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner is a powerful diagnostic tool designed for both DIY users and automotive enthusiasts. It offers full system diagnostics, allowing users to check important vehicle systems such as the engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, and more. The bidirectional control feature is especially useful, enabling active tests of components like fuel pumps, injectors, windows, and AC systems to speed up troubleshooting. With Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity, it provides convenient cable-free operation up to 33 feet away. The scanner also includes 26 maintenance functions, including oil reset, EPB reset, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, throttle relearn, and injector coating, helping reduce dealership visits. Its support for CAN FD, FCA AutoAuth, and over 85 vehicle brands makes it suitable for many newer models. Real-time graphing of up to 8 live data streams provides deeper vehicle insights, while lifetime software updates add long-term value. Overall, the A30M delivers professional-level diagnostics, convenience, and versatility in a user-friendly package. And our last choice is Innova OBD2 Scanner. The Innova 5610 bidirectional scan tool is a powerful diagnostic solution for drivers, DIY enthusiasts, and professional mechanics who want deeper insight into vehicle performance. It provides advanced diagnostics with enhanced data streams, allowing users to monitor live information from systems like the engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission. The bidirectional control feature is a standout capability, letting users send commands to test functions such as fuel pumps and electronic parking brakes for faster troubleshooting. It also includes special reset and relearn functions that can help with various maintenance tasks. The scanner is designed for ease of use, supporting multiple languages and compatible with many 1996 to 2023 OBD2 vehicles, though coverage should be verified before purchase. Integration with the Repair Solutions 2 app, free updates, and AS-certified support add extra convenience and confidence. Overall, the Innova 5610 delivers professional-level features, reliable diagnostics, and user-friendly operation, making it a valuable tool for vehicle maintenance and repair. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.